Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best earwax removal cleaners in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. The Bebird R1 is top on our list. It is an otoscope that provides a friendly and comfortable experience to your family. It comes featured with a non-heating chip, free from being scalded during a long time operation, and housing a high-quality 1080p Full HD resolution means it can also provide a superior clear image too, for further convenience. Its inclusion of 6 LED lights around the tip can light any area you wish to see, providing superior clear image and outstanding color reproduction to capture more realistic images, to avoid hurting your ear canal, to remove earwax more completely and safely. And when it comes to compatibility, it works great with both Android and iOS smartphones and tablets via Wi-Fi connectivity. This Geengle ear cleansing tool is a set of 8 different durable picks that can remove earwax buildup without hurting your ears. Coming in fully polished design, it can prevent any irritation or scratching and make sure you can massage the ear canal and relieve itching while cleaning. And made of medical grade stainless steel, it is durable, anti-rust, easy to clean, sterilizable, and is also extra durable in use and not easy to distort. Its handles are designed in such a way that provides a non-slip grip. And when it comes to cleaning, you can just rinse them off thoroughly with soap and water before and after use, and then sterilize them with rubbing alcohol. While for storage, they come with a portable packing box to store, as you can carry these earwax removal tools anywhere you go. This earwax washer system from BOCOOLIFE works the same as the ear cleaning system used by doctors and in clinics. It is more effective and less traumatic to your ear. And having a unique design, it only needs water and hydrogen peroxide to remove the wax buildup. The tip of the wax cleaner can be replaced, avoiding infection caused by different people. And in the package, it comes as a set consisting of an ear washer spray bottle, ear basin, 3 extra tips, and more. This Bionix is a portable electronic WaterPik ear irrigator that delivers pulsed irrigation. As an ear lavage system, it will allow healthcare professionals to safely and effectively irrigate anywhere without the risk of damaging the eardrum. Its inclusion of an ear lavage basin provides for a clear, mess-free procedure. And featuring soft, flexible ear irrigation tips with a 3-stream design ensures a safe, comfortable patient experience. You will be provided with pulsed irrigation at the push of a button, and with a 210 milliliter water reservoir, it can offer you a higher volume than manual devices for more effective irrigation. Next is Debrox. These Debrox earwax removal drops are a safe and inexpensive in-home solution. It is a safe, gentle, and non-irritating way to remove earwax buildups. It can remove excessive earwax through the power of microfoam cleansing action. Its microfoaming action gently softens and loosens excess earwax, allowing it to drain quickly. And once broken down, earwax will drain from the ear naturally. After this process, your ears will be relieved of built-up earwax, dirt, and any other debris, which means you can return to your daily life without muffled hearing. In case if there's an earwax remaining after treatment, it can also be removed by gently flushing the ear with warm water, using the included soft rubber bulb ear syringe. Lastly, we have the Bebird C3. Coming in just 3.5mm diameter, this Sandfairy Bebird Earwax Remover C3 is much thinner than the diameter of other Otoscope's ear cleaning kits available. It is a smart visual ear cleaner and earwax camera for your life and family. Featuring a revolutionary 3.0 megapixels HD camera technology with 6 LED lights, it will let you get more detailed and microscopic views of your ears. And other than that, this ear camera can also be used as a portable digital microscope to explore your micro world with your electronic devices. You can download and install the Bebird app on your phone to easily connect it to Wi-Fi with Android smartphone, tablet, and iOS phone and iPad. And apart from that, it is an FCC RoHS CE mark approved. While the usage of excellent quality grade PC plus silica material ear scoop provides softness and can meet different people's needs. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.